Here's how to make a carnivore friendly schnitty. Alright, chuck your bacon into... Hey, wait, where's my bacon? Oh wait, it's in there. I started it before I started filming. Okay, grind your bacon up into lots of little pieces. Then turn your oven onto some number, at least 180 Celsius. Chuck your stuff in the pan and give it a little poke. Make sure it's dead. Alright, splash it round, break it all up, poke it again, and chuck some butter in it so that you can start frying it. Alright, chuck it in your oven and wave it goodbye. Every few minutes, just mix it around. Just make sure you don't burn it too much. That was my mistake. I cooked it for a little too long. Alright, crack an egg and then beat it. But don't stab it because that doesn't do anything. Alright, chuck your chicken in. Get it all covered with that yummy egg yolk, if you can pick it up. But don't chuck out the egg yolk. We'll use it right at the end. Once your bacon is ready, we're going to grind it up again. But I recommend drying it out and getting rid of that excess oil. That was a mistake I made. So put it back in your blendery thing and then grind it all up so it's fine like breadcrumbs. Smells pretty good at this stage too. Give it a good shake. If your blender is old and broken like mine. Chuck it in a bowl. Make sure you get all of it. And then put your chicken in the bacon breadcrumbs and give it a little poke. Cover it nice and evenly. Make it nice and thick. Alright, get your saucepan, chuck some butter in it. Maybe not as much butter as that, so if you chucked in too much butter then save that. That's gold, my friend. Alright, get your chicken. Make sure your butter is all hot and swirled around. Give it a little cool off before you chuck your chicken in. Make sure it's all in there. Get all the goody bacon. And give it a little poke. Make sure it's dead. While it's cooking, make sure you poke it again. Alright, that's enough poking, I think. Alright, flip it. Just be careful. Look how good that is. Now watch that thing cook. Hey, stop poking it. It's dead. Alright. I noticed that my heat was too high, so I recommend on each side just drop it down to a lower heat so it cooks the chicken through without burning the bacon. Stop poking it! Once your chicken is cooked, stick it over to the side to rest. And what we want to do is use the rest of that egg and scramble it to soak up all that yummy butter and all the bits and pieces. Delicious. Alright, serve your eggs up and put your chicken on the plate. Bon appetit. You're welcome. Enjoy. Oh, that's so good. Very nice. Please subscribe or I get beaten.